Do you think your cell phone is still clean because you used a glove while operating? If you think so, then it is wrong. This video will help you understand why your cell phone is not clean. Look at the amount of dirt on your phone from the glove. You can clean some of this, but there is a limitation. This video will show you how to maintain your cell phone as clean as possible with simple techniques. Please like our videos, subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon and select all for timely updates. Before the process, clean your hands properly with soap or hand sanitizer. We need a ziplock cover, and this is a sandwich cover we took because all sorts of mobile can easily fit in this and it's available everywhere. Next we will see how to place your mobile in the ziplock cover properly. If the camera of your cell phone is on one side, you can place that side into the sandwich cover in the following position. After placing the cell phone, remove as much air as possible from the ziplock cover and seal it as shown. At the same time, fold the opening portion of the cover inside so that there is less chance of exposure of that part with dirt. If you follow this position, we can avoid two-layer ziplock covering on top of the camera. Use a piece of tape to secure it like this. If we do like this, all the dirt on your hands will stay on the ziplock cover and there is very less chance of contamination. This will keep your mobile as clean as possible when you're outside or while at work, especially in the hospital. Speakerphone mode is the safest option whenever the phone is with this covering. With this covering, you won't have any trouble using your cell phone and the touch screen will work as usual. Similarly, you can make the call without any interruption, whether it is a video or voice call. Let's play some video and see how well we can listen.
Please like our videos, subscribe our channel, click on bell icon, select all 4 times.
Let us see how the voice command works. Hey Siri, weather.
It's currently cloudy and 7 degrees in Toronto.
See, everything we have tried here works very well without any interruption. Now, let us see how to charge the cell phone battery in this scenario as we cannot connect the charging cable directly to the phone. There are few options available to recharge your cell phone in this condition. Most of the cell phones are coming with wireless charging facilities. If this facility is not available in your cell phone, you can use wireless charging covers which is compatible with your mobile device. These covers are easily available in the Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, etc. It is very easy to fix and does not require any professional experience. Most of the wireless chargers are compatible with all the brands of mobile. Another option is to use a battery charging case, which means a power bank is occupied with cell phone protection case. It will extend your mobile battery power almost double the time. It again depends on the battery power you choose. All you need is a wireless charger. Let us see how to protect your wireless charger with a ziplock cover. You can cover and protect the wireless charger as shown before using. While using a wireless charger, you may want to place a ziplock cover between your cell phone and wireless charger to prevent the dirt passing from your cell phone to a wireless charger or vice versa. Once the charging is done, dispose the cover. If not, the wireless charger will become a device that supplies dirt to the mobile phone. If you are at the workplace, you must remove the cover before you leave. Let us see how to do it safely. Remove the secure tape from the cover. Then open the cover as shown in the video. Now, take off your one glove carefully like this and take the cell phone from the ziplock cover with a clean hand like this. Then, place the mobile on a clean surface. Take off the glove from another hand carefully. Then, dispose the glove and the cover. After that, clean both your hands with soap and water or hand sanitizer. Let us clean the cell phone with an alcohol wipe. If it is not available, use a hand sanitizer with a tissue paper like this and clean it. Finally, wear a new pair of gloves and clean the surface that you have used till now. Here, you can use the alcohol wipes or hand sanitizer as shown in the video. Dispose of the glove and the wipes very carefully. Here I have shown you the best ways to keep it as clean as possible. You can make some changes depending on the nature of your work or depending on the environment where you are present. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.